हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। सबसे पहले आप सबको दीपावली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हम चाहते हैं कि आने वाला साल जो भी है आपके लिए सक्सेसफुल हो। और जैसे नंदन जी, मैं काफ़ी समय से देख रहा हूँ कि सक्सेस का अपने लाइफ में बहुत ही बड़ा महत्व है। तो हर व्यक्ति हर साल आने वाले समय के लिए सक्सेस चाहता है। तो इसके लिए आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
हेलो व्यूअर्स, सब लोगों को नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
काफ़ी समय हो गया हम लोग मिल नहीं पाए। कुछ मैं भी बिजी था, आई वॉज अ लिटिल बिजी, कुछ काम था। तो काफ़ी समय के बाद प्रकाश जी ने बोला नहीं, आज तो हमने करना ही है।
बिल्कुल।
तो मैं बोला ठीक है प्रकाश जी, एनीवे। ये जो बात आपने बोला प्रकाश जी सक्सेस के बारे में,
जी
तो ये एक काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट और काफ़ी फैला हुआ सब्जेक्ट है
जी
जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोगों को बहुत ही ज़्यादा इसके बारे में लोग सोच रहे हैं, समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। सक्सेसफुल कौन है, कैसे सक्सेसफुल होना है,
जी
क्या करें तो हम अपनी लाइफ में सक्सेस कर सकें। तो ये बहुत बड़ा ब्रॉड सब्जेक्ट है ये।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
इसके ऊपर सर्टेनली हम लोग का एक सेशन में कुछ हो नहीं पाएगा पूरा,
नेचुरल
लेकिन
बात है।
हाँ,
नेचुरल बात है।
लेकिन फिर भी मैं ट्राई करूंगा कि ब्रीफ में जो मेरे को मालूम है सक्सेस के बारे में, मैं कोशिश करूंगा, आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन टू इट एज फार एज हाउ मच आई नो।
जी
तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट सक्सेस मीन्स, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ
मेन
सक्सेस।
वही है, सक्सेस है क्या एक्चुअली। हम सब लोग भागा-दौड़ करते हैं सक्सेस पाने के लिए।
एब्सोल्युटली।
जी
क्यों, व्हाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट सक्सेस इज? बिकॉज जस्ट दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल थ्योरी। You want to get something. If you don't know what is that, how you will get that?
बिल्कुल।
First, so that's why first of all it is very important to understand what you want to get. What is that? So same thing is with success. So let me just explain you a little bit about it. For example, you want to buy a computer. So you know that you want to buy a computer. So you want to buy a laptop.
जी
Then in the laptop you want to buy a black color laptop.
करेक्ट।
So it means you are very clear in your mind that there should be an object which you should open like this. It should do the computing. That's why it is computer. And it should be put on the table we commonly call as laptop. It means you understand what you want to buy. Then you pay for that and you buy it. It means understanding of what you want to. If you go to the shop, to a computer shop, and you tell them that I want to buy a laptop, they will give you a music system. And if you don't know what is a laptop, then you will take this music system and you will treat it as a computing object, because you don't
Correct.
know. You don't know what is this. You don't know what to do with this. So knowing the subject, what do you want to achieve? First, it's very important to understand what do you want to achieve, what is that? So let us first understand what success is about. What is success? Now, if we go just for some simple things, like normal, first we think, what is the normal definition of success in a common man's life? It's a normally we call success is what is that? What is normally called as success? So we normally call success on a broad perspective. It's that a person who is rich. So once we see a person rich, and we see he can afford a big house, he can afford a big car, he can afford to fly different countries, he can afford to buy the things which normally we cannot afford to buy. That richness to us seems to be as a successful, as a success story, that this man is a successful man.
यस
So a rich man is a successful man.
we all
It's a normal
think
term.
like this.
This is normal term.
Yeah.
Right now. Then why we call rich? Why don't we call just successful? We call him rich.
Rich, yeah.
Rich means a person who has accumulated a certain amount of wealth.
Mm.
That wealth in today's situation is in the monetary form. So if a person has earned or gained or got big amount of money, which we can see that it can be seen commonly, then this is known as a rich man. A rich man and a successful man, we join these things together.
Yes.
It's not always like this. So first of all, we have to understand that only richness not bring to success.
Mm.
This is one thing. We first go in opposite way. We don't define success. We define what is success is not. What is not success? Then what remaining will be there. That will be success.
You're right.
So if
Yeah.
there are 10 things,
Yeah.
they are alone. They cannot make success. That what is remaining is that is success.
Mm.
For it is absolutely my opinion. This is absolutely my opinion.
Right.
It has, maybe everybody has got its own opinion of success. So I am trying to just telling my opinion. I am just putting my opinion on that.
Mhm.
Okay. So the second theory of success is that we'll come on that for the rich man. The second theory is this, that if a person have fame, the person has got name, everybody knows him, it means he is a successful man.
Mm.
If there is a big leader, if there is a big neta, if there is a big, you can say a social worker, you can say a big player, whatever maybe it is.
Yeah.
If they have got the names, big names, and everywhere the name is there, it means he is a successful man.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the second story of success. So why, if he is successful in that certain field, so he is successful in that certain fields, so that's why he is named as the best cricketer. He does not named as the most successful cricketer.
Mm-hmm. You're right.
Like we just call about Sachin Tendulkar, they are the great cricketers,
Yes.
but not most successful cricketers,
I see. Mm.
because there is no such term successful cricketer.
Mm.
There is certain terms successful cricketers. If you make all the time a very good score rate, you take most of the wickets, you take all these things. I'm not very much inside cricket, so that's why I don't know so much of that. But if you are doing that, it means people can tell you that he is a successful cricketer. But anyway, it is a cricketer is there.
Yes. Yes.
So successful for cricketer is different.
Mm.
So this is a different category of success. One success is the rich man, the other success is the famous man.
Yes.
These are the two things which treat as a successful.
Bilkul. Yes, you're right. Mm.
What I think is that this is the very common thinking that these two, if you have these two things, you are successful. Why is this? We have to understand. Why we tell that a person who is a rich man is a successful man? Because with his richness, what he can do that, he can buy the things which he want.
Mm.
He can fly where he want.
Mm-hmm.
He can do the things which money can buy. But there are certain things which money cannot buy.
You're right. Yes.
If this rich man has got a happy life, is he free from his work? Can he make his time free from there?
Yeah.
So the problem is this, that if you cannot reach to the happiness with all your money, then how you become a successful? For me, definition of success is this, that you should be enough happy, you should have enough money to be free, you should have enough money to not to work at that time when you want, and you can do whatever you want and whatever you think is right,
You are right.
and your relationships are on right track with all your friends, people, all the people who know. So if you are in such a balanced manner, if you are balancing all these things, then I think the simple explanation is this of being successful. Now, how people measure the success? Measuring the success, normally, for example, somebody is getting 10,000 rupees. So he think if I'll get 100,000 rupees, or if I'll get somebody get $200, he think $2,000 if I'll get, then I will succeed. That's the point of my success.
Yes.
So once you reach over there, then after, it means you don't want to achieve any more success, a new
We
success,
need
a
again more
new
and more-
success,
yeah,
new success. So what is the meaning is it? The meaning is that the success is an ever-changing thing. So success is not a destination;
You are right.
it's a journey.
It's a journey. Yes.
It's a journey. So once you are in a journey, how can you tell that today I am successful?
Yes.
Tomorrow I will be successful, or yesterday I was not successful. It's a journey.
Yes.
What success means? For example, for a small boy who just born, maybe 3 months or 4 months or 5 months, if he will be able to sit, it means he succeed.
Oh yes, you are right.
He is successful.
Yeah. Yeah.
A boy who can just walk in his 4 legs, with hands, his legs, he walks. So when he stands up and able to stand for 10 seconds or 15 or 20 seconds,
Yes.
he is successful.
Correct. Correct.
So definition of success for him is this. Definition for success for his father is that he is able to take care of the family in such a way that they have got a kid who can be successful. So his father is also successful at that time.
Perfect. You're right.
For a person who is doing a job, I just told you, a $200 job, and once he get a $5,000 job or $2,000 job, he becomes successful over there. A person who is studying to go to Cosmos, the day she goes to Cosmos or he goes to Cosmos, becomes successful. You are, the morning you wake up, you are successful.
Yes.
Because there are millions of people who are not able to wake up.
Yes, you are right.
They are not able to wake up because of some problems, because of their limbs problems, because they are not so healthy. So what a meaning is that? It means you are successful. You are successful each and every time. Every time you take an effort which consumes energy, you are successful. Anytime you think something very good, very right things, this is another definition of what is good and what is right. You are successful. So there is no calibration of success. Calibration of success is wholly dependent upon you. Now it is also different for different categories. For businessman, what is success is different. For student, what is success is different. For a housewife, the success is different.
Yes.
For a vendor, the success is different.
Yeah. Yeah.
For a shopkeeper, the success is different. So there are different aspects of success. Certainly, we will deal with some of these aspects. What I am just discussing is that I am just discussing the outside of success. How to achieve the success, how to sustain the success, how success can be calibrated. It can be calibrated. You can attach your success with your achievement. So let's for example, somebody want to climb a mountain, okay? So if the mountain is 5,000 feet or 20,000 feet. So he can calibrate, okay, first 1,000 feet I will climb. It means I am successful at that time. So that is not success, that is achievement.
Achievement, yes.
So you can also treat your achievements as success, but don't sit with that achievements.
Okay.
Small successes will build the big success. And all these together become one success. And there is no one success because there is no number for success. There is no calibration of success. There is no success cannot be measured in time and space. It can be calibrated somewhere to become a milestone of that. So each milestone you can tell it's a small success. But it's all depend upon you. What do you want to achieve? What is your thinking of achieving? What you want yourself? What are your preferences and how you want to achieve that? So you define your success by yourself. You want to be happy, you want to be rich, you want to be famous. you want to be a good actor, you want to be a player. So every field has got its own success, but ultimately you feel the success. Ultimately you cannot success is not a objective thing, it's a subjective thing. It's subjective to everybody. So I feel that you have to understand, we have to understand that success is something which can be achieved through efforts, and the point of some achievements we feel happy and little proud, that could be called as a success.
You're right. Actually, I remember your story. You told me yesterday. You told me one story about Kumar.
A picture man.
Yeah,
Okay.
a picture man. Yeah.
Okay. So that was a story. That's also related to success. There was a man who used to sell this this pitcher pots, different type of pots and all that. He used to make it at home and sell it. So once upon a time, he was just once a day. Sometime he was sleeping in his shop.
Mm-hmm.
So normally people work and do some labor. They were sleeping. So there was some British guy who came inside and he asked him, "What are you doing? Why are you sleeping?" He said, "What I should do?"
Mm-hmm.
He said, "You should try to sell."
Mm-hmm.
He said, "Why?" He said, "No, if you will sell it well, you can have more money."
More money.
And so, okay, then more money. What will happen after that?
Yeah.
Then he says, okay, the British guy says, then you can have another shop. He said, oh, great idea. So what after that? He said, you can take more people, you can make more shops, you can have a bigger shop, you can have 10 shops or 20 or 50 shops. What will happen after that? He got very charged. So what will happen after that? So he told, then you can have a very big house, you can have many children, you can have grandchildren, you can have big cars. Oh, great, what happened after that? He said, you will have a big house at the sea beach, you walk on the sea beach with your grandchildren, and you enjoy the life. You will be in peace, you enjoy the life. This old man said, are you idiot?
Oh my God.
I am enjoying the life now, and you are telling me to take so much of effort and to reach there and enjoy the life?
No.
So
he's already enjoying.
He's enjoying.
Already enjoying. Yeah.
I am enjoying already.
Yeah.
So do you think he is successful? Yes, certainly, in his terms.
I like very much this story. I like
In
it.
his terms, this man who is sitting, he is successful.
Mm-hmm.
In the terms of that British guy, he is not successful. So there are some things, this is a balancing of these things for yourself, where you get the happiness, is what I think success is.
Yes.
We will elaborate on this subject, Prakash ji.
Ji.
So we will go further on this.
Bilkul.
We will discuss.
Yeah.
We will discuss with everybody what different is. That this today maybe my this discussion has not bring more clarity to you.
Yeah.
Maybe it brings more doubts. But actually, I wanted to create the doubts.
But I want our viewers to make the comments if you want to know about success, many more things. So we will discuss. We will discuss about this.
Actually, I
Yeah.
wanted to let our viewers.
Yeah.
I have put this question in front of the viewers.
Yeah.
I have brought a very small clarity in this. I will bring more clarity in this. But I just wanted to put this inside the mind. That let us redefine the success. Let us define the success for ourselves,
Yes.
for each and everybody.
Yes.
And then you will understand that what success really means for you.
Yes.
It's very subjective. It's very subjective. Like for example, you are sitting left to me, but I am sitting right to you. So this is for me left, and for me I am in the right.
Yeah.
This is right to me, but this is left to you. This is left to you, but this is right to me.
Yeah.
So very subjective. So where you are situated, what is your situation? What you are looking for in the life? What type of life you want? What responsibilities you have got? What feelings you have got, and what responsibility you are ready to take? So these are all very subjective things.
Yes.
So we will try our best to discuss on this matter more and more. It will bring some clarity, but it will also bring doubts and questions.
Yes.
And I just want everybody to question it.
Question is yes.
Yes,
Okay.
question.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So
I think thank you for today. Now I think it's enough like this.
Yes.
And let's go for next one, next time.
Next time.
Next time.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
We will see next time.
So everybody, thank you very much for watching videos, and please like and subscribe our channel. So bye bye, take care, have a nice day, happy Diwali once again.